let's shut up Lenny and show him the facts. Okay.
Lenny, coming on here and complaining all day long, dude, you're just go to somebody else's thing, dude.
Okay. So I don't really want to talk about it. But let's break this down because Lenny tried to scare everyone out. Okay. Let's talk about this person that got arrested for, quote, wholesaling. Guys, I'll tell you this. If I tell you to deliver pizzas and then you run over 5 people, did you get arrested for delivering pizzas or did you get arrested for doing something criminal? It's kind of funny. Let's talk about the facts here. What I always say is, if you do something really stupid, you are probably going to get arrested for it. If I go steal something, I'm probably going to get arrested unless I'm in San Francisco. But outside of there, like if you do something illegal, you are going to go to jail. In the United States of America, we have laws. We have this amazing, it's called the Constitution. And the Constitution allows the states to create laws, things like that. And every state has laws on the books. And I tell you in freewholesaling.com, first thing, follow all the laws in your city and county. So let's break down some laws that like I feel like I don't have to say, but maybe people don't understand that. First and foremost, you cannot forge signatures. So if a seller doesn't want to sell their house, you can't go forge their signature saying they're agreeing to sell the house for 20 grand. You're literally stealing somebody's house at that point. They're not agreeing consensually to sell the house for a price. You are literally fraudulently doing that. Jail. Okay. You're like, that's fraud. You can't be doing that. You can't go point a weapon towards somebody and says, sell me your house. That is assault. That is not good, right? That is against the law. So like, do you kind of understand what I'm saying here? Like there's some like unspoken rules here of like wholesaling, like just follow your laws. Yeah. And then I tell you what to do. So let's break down this guy that got arrested for wholesaling. So let's break it down. Keep in mind,
I wouldn't bring this up. Somebody, the same person posts it over and over. Like I know what you're doing.
People in wholesaling get arrested all the time because they do stupid stuff. So let's break down this clown guy. Him and Lenny would be besties, honestly. So let's break down. Louis Manville arrested in report home buying fraud scheme. What a handsome fella. Okay, so it's actually in Dallas. A Louisville man is in jail for allegedly creating fake financial reports in an attempt to buy multiple homes. Okay, Charles Rowe, 63, was charged. Was he charged with He was charged with wholesaling houses? No, he was not charged for wholesaling real estate. Forgery. He was charged for forgery of financial instrument and false statements to obtain property for a credit of a value more than $300,000. Remember, you get arrested because you do really stupid stuff, okay? Like forging financial statements. Come on. This is ridiculous.
We never taught that.
Come on. Court alleged a pattern of fraud for 7 different home purchases, accused him of using the same tactic of being a cash buyer, providing fictitious bank documentation to entice sellers, failing to deliver earnest money and closing funds. So basically, he was outside of his inspection period. And he never even delivered the earnest money.
Made excuses, never
to delay closing, only to never close, therefore causing financial harm to sellers.
Yeah.
This is just a stupid person. Guys, you have an inspection period and the seller agrees that, okay, within this inspection period, I know this guy can get out for nothing. Yeah. He doesn't even have to buy my house. But this guy probably didn't put that. He probably put a fat deposit, never did the deposit, and showed fake bank statements. Come on, this is ridiculous. That's okay, blah 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 blah. And it's kind of funny. He's like, I'm a real estate agent. I had no idea. If the buyer doesn't put the EMD within like a week or two. Most realtors should know he fell for his scheme. No, you didn't. You're just a bad realtor.
You didn't vet, and this is how you guys get cash buyers on your list.
He had proof of funds. He had an actual bank statement.
You actually have to. So, guys, when somebody has a proof of funds, you actually have to call and check it out. That will get rid of 99% of your scam artists right off the bat. And by the way, I saw something flash up on my Fiverr account. It's for $5. Someone will create a fake one for you.
Don't do it.
Don't do it, guys. That's fraud. You don't do that. I've never told someone to go get a fake proof of funds. So, we've taught you every way to do it. Learn the right way, freewholesaling.com. But like, if you're going to do stuff like this.
So let's do this. So that's what he failed to do the EMD. The biggest question is why road, blah, 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 blah. He said he never intended to follow through purchasing the houses, blah, blah, blah. Detective said he's ultimately causing the sellers and defrauded them financial harm. Of course he did. Blah, 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 blah. We're hoping to see they recognize the name. Take your time slow, verify everything. So I mean, he basically got arrested for fake bank statements. Like, pretty simple. I don't know what to tell you, though. Like, come on. And so let me do one more thing here really quick. And I do want to verify this. Guys, when you give me comments like this, I know it's fake. So let me show you really quick right here. And I'm going to use this as an advertisement.com. when I go to freewholesaling.com, there's all the videos do not exist. Okay, let's actually go to freewholesaling.com and look. Okay, I'm literally doing this from an incognito tab. So let's see what we got here. All right, I'm gonna go here. Let's log into freewholesaling.com. Let's see if this guy, and I'm only doing this so this guy apologizes for me for spreading more fake. What's up with all the fake news? Okay, I'm inside of freewholesaling.com. So the first 10 videos, let's verify this. Okay, first 10 videos. All right, video 1. Hey guys, that's okay. So let's go to wholesaling 101. This is the, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait.
Characters like any other business.
It's working. So the first 10 videos do work. Bro, you stop trying this. Stop trying the fake stuff, okay? It actually worked. This is all fake news. I don't know why people do this.
He just doesn't understand it.
It drives me crazy.
I'm not the most technology advanced person.
But you just can't be saying it's not working. Guys, you got to go out here and actually do what you need to do here. But guys, just it's insane. And, there's a lot of gurus out here that try to give you proof of funds and stuff, but you got to make sure you actually understand what you're doing. But just understand, in wholesaling real estate, if you actually do all your laws, it'll be good. It'll be fine. It drives me crazy. So let's answer some questions, see how I can help the people out, and break it all down so I can help you out here. Michael has a good one. Being broke is hard. Getting rich is easy. So you gotta take the work. Just have to do the work. Angela has a cool one here. We had a fake cash buyer call today, and I asked my husband how he knew. He said, from Zach. You really know the sauce, man. Guys, you actually follow what I say. I'm telling you, like, you'll figure it out, like, oh, this is a fake. There are literally gurus out here that pretend to be fake buyers, but none of them can pass that test. None of them. Insane. I'm just telling you guys.
It always hides in like a sea of paperwork, and it's like this and that. It's like they write contracts on all my stuff. I'm like, we already know who's on that list. So guys, just verify. If you verify, it will eliminate most of the BS that comes with real estate. But people are lazy. It looks good. Looks good.
No,
it's supposed to look good. It's supposed to fool you. And so the human nature knows you'll be lazy and not do it. And they're looking to prey on people that aren't going to verify. Guys, you're all cash buyers. You need to verify it.
Exactly.